I'm going to be getting under your chin, so don't feel alarmed.
Okay.
But to create the stretch, I'm actually going to be stretching like that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to keep your jaw closed, but don't clench.
Okay.
Okay, just jaw closed, don't clench, and you're going to breathe through your nose. Okay, ready? We're just going to hold it for a while. There we go. Just keep breathing.
Ooh.
How does that feel?
Yeah, it feels good.
Okay, all right. So I actually heard it. It released like multiple. Okay, so now let's go ahead and have you sit up. Okay, ready, come up. And just sort of move your neck around, see how it feels. Should feel a lot more loose.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. All right. So what I want to do, we did his back already. That gave some loud adjustments. We did his ankle. We did his knees. They gave some good ones. Do you ever have elbow problems? Because those make nice loud noises.
I know it cracks once in a while, but it's not as much as my knees.
You never. Oh, his mic give a good sound. Okay. All right. So this is going to be an elbow adjustment, and this is for a displaced radius. Okay. So just relax here like that. Okay. There. Okay. All right. We'll try the other one to make sure this one's also back in alignment as well. Okay. So that was a little quieter, but you could still hear it.